the International Building Code, (IC), mandates that emergency generators installed outdoors must be located within a weatherproof enclosure. According to the IBC, a weatherproof enclosure is defined as a structure designed to prevent the free entry of rain, snow, and water. Louvers are designed to facilitate airflow while simultaneously blocking rain and snow. However, louvers alone may not be sufficient to completely prevent the free entry of water under all weather conditions, particularly during heavy rainfall or when rain is driven by strong winds. To ensure full compliance with the IBC and to provide adequate protection for the generator, it is generally recommended to provide a dedicated weatherproof enclosure in addition to the louvers. The enclosure should ideally be installed on a raised platform. This raised platform is critical in preventing water from entering the enclosure due to flooding or pooling around the base. Alternatively, if the generator manufacturer explicitly states in writing that the louvers alone provide adequate weather protection for the specific generator model, then a separate weatherproof enclosure might not be strictly required. However, such an exception must be thoroughly documented and officially approved by the local building authority or relevant regulatory body. In conclusion, as a general rule, louvers alone are typically not considered sufficient to meet the specific requirements for a weatherproof enclosure for emergency generators that are installed outdoors. Therefore, it is best practice to provide a dedicated weatherproof enclosure in addition to the louvers. This combined approach ensures full compliance with the applicable regulations while providing a higher level of protection for the generator from the elements.